Easel Design Service Review. Watch before using. Most people get online design platforms wrong. They assume they are complicated, expensive, or only for professional designers. The surprising truth about Easel is that it's a drag-and-drop graphic design tool that makes creating professional visuals easy. And you won't believe how quickly you can produce social media posts, flyers, and marketing materials. Here's how it works. Easel provides thousands of templates for social media, print, and digital campaigns. You can customize colors, fonts, images, and layouts with a simple drag-and-drop interface. For example, a small business owner can create a promotional Instagram post in minutes, adding their brand colors and logo without hiring a designer. Most people get this wrong. They assume only professionals can make high-quality graphics, but Easel empowers anyone to design like a pro. Additional features include brand kits to maintain consistent visuals, stock image libraries, team collaboration tools, and layered editing for more complex projects. Users praise its ease of use, professional templates, and time-saving features. However, there are considerations. Some advanced templates and stock images require a paid subscription, and designing very intricate projects may require patience. Most people assume it's completely free. It's free for basic use, but premium features unlock more powerful tools. In conclusion, Easel is ideal for marketers, business owners, and teams who want quick, professional, and customizable designs without learning complex software. It saves time and keeps your branding consistent. Subscribe for more honest reviews of design and productivity tools.